Gregory, how you doing? Yeah, and look who showed up. It's Santa.
I hope he did get.
You want to sit down, Zachary, so everybody has some space?
Hey, how are you doing?
Hi, Susan.
Nice to meet you.
I will get my cousin.
Your cousin's coming.
Did you know they're talking about Santa Claus?
You do? You know
We just
what?
have to have a necklace right here.
Am I going to get your present?
Susan, you want to go up and shake his hand? He's a nice Santa. He's a nice Santa.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, if you want, when Santa calls you today, we can go up and sit on his lap and tell him what you want for Christmas.
Whatever you'd like to tell.
Look at Frozen!
To Hannah.
Whoa!
All right.
Are you going to sit on his lap and tell him what you'd like for Christmas?
Oh, I know what that is. That's where Uncle Business is.